taking me right back to where I was coming from. Turn already. It's amazing. People find it so hard to just make a turn. Like they don't know where the curb is. Yeah, this is just bringing me all the way back around. Look at this. Really? 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 People know they will cut a motorcycle off with no hesitation. It's like they get a green light. Staples Mills. Didn't go down south enough. Springfield, Staples Mills. All the way over. What a dumbass. What a dumbass. You see, that's the shit they do here in Richmond. All the way over. That bitch would have killed me. You're not supposed to come all the way over. She was supposed to be in this lane when she ended that turn. This one. Not the curb lane. And she's looking at something on her phone. But that's the way they do it here in Richmond. From the left lane directly to the right lane. And if you're from somewhere else, you're gonna get killed. Oh, when she was getting on the highway, she had to go right. No, she had to complete that turn to the left lane and signal to go right. Signal to go right. They don't know how to drive here at all. At all. But I know what to expect, so that's why I'm not dead. She had her head down. You'll see that a lot. I'm gonna point it out. That might even be a series. Watch how these people drive. Yeah, it's 20 to 5 now. Kind of made a loop. Not really what I intended, but where did I go? How did I even get out here? Where did I go? Oh, I never. And where we started, come back that way. Now we're going back out east, or west, to go south. But this is a little loop to the north of the city. Why is he hugging the center lane? That truck driver that passed. It was a garbage truck. Stinks. Or just out here for some reason stinks. I would not send my motorcycle underneath the truck. I mean underneath a tree. first shit. Keep looking for that 6th gear.